Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwitheli.com, and today I want to show you what car I'm making with the piece that I show you how to do with the Stamparados and the Christmas rose, which is this set. Again, I show you in the last video how you can make how you can line up all the different colors for this one to make it really quick and easy. And so I'll put a description to that video on this section somewhere here on the information. So make sure you see how it is, because how it was done, because you can see how gorgeous it is. And this one already has that gold embossing powder in it. So I had already also cut it out with the coordinating roses die, which is this one. So you can see that stamp set lines up perfectly with the die, so you can die cut it like so. So you can see it here. So you just put it like that and then run it through your cutting machine, and you'll get the image cut out. So you don't have to you don't have to fussy cut it. And so anyway, so let's just keep going. So this one is a half of an inch of Mossy Meadow. Then I have here a piece that is full gold foil, and this one is a 1/4 of an inch, which is not typical for me. And the length doesn't matter because we're going to be stamping the sentiment, so this is just going to be just to line up. I have a piece of the design series paper called Christmastime is here, and this one is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And I also have 1 inch of of width by like 5 5/8. And I'm doing it a little bit longer because it's going to be covered these sections, so that way I can make sure I cover both ends and then just trim whatever excess I have. And of course, our card base, it is 8.5 by 5.5. I think majority of my cards are that way. Now, this is crumb cake. I'm going to be folding it in half. Go ahead and use your bone folder for this. We're going to go ahead and add the design series paper, so it just uses nail or liquid Tombow. I'm still having fast fuse, so I'm still using fast fuse, believe it or not. And I'm going to go ahead and there we go, line it up there. That way everything is good. And like I mentioned, I'm going to be cutting whatever excess I have. So alrighty, so there we go. Then we're going to be adding this section here, like so. So let's go ahead and alrighty. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and bring this one here. But before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and do the stamping on this one. So I'm going to be using the sentiment that says wishing you, wishing you the gifts of the season. And then, yeah, I'm just going to have that. And then, because I don't want this piece in joy, I'm actually just going to stamp this section, and then the piece and you can go inside. But for right now, I just want this one, right? So because of that, I'm going to go ahead and use one of the markers and just stamp or color that section. Actually, I think it will be nice to have them like here, but anyway, we'll see how that goes, you know. Wishing you the gifts of the season. I like that. Looks really good. And we're going to go ahead and stamp right there. Okay. Oh, well, you can see I did it all crooked, but don't worry, I had that already done here. I can actually, hold on, I always like to show you how I do these things, so let me just do another one. let's just try it again, right? Sometimes it's harder for me to do these things when I have the camera on my face, you know, but let's just give it a try here. Alright, so let's hope. There we go, see? So, much better. And then I'm going to bring the tailor tack punch, and we're going to go ahead and cut out like right here. And the same thing like right there. I think I want to cut a little bit more on this one just to make it kind of like the same, yes. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same on this one. I'm just cutting the ends. Yes. There we go. So now this one is going to go like so, as I mentioned. Then you think it looks really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and bring the glue dots. I'm just going to add 2 glue dots. And then, oh my goodness. You can see how I am lining it up. Give me a second here. There we go. Alrighty. And so I want that one like somewhere here. Now this one is going to be all flat. So let me take that one here. And we're going to be putting them like so. And then we're going to be adding this one right here. Wow, I think I love it. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and use the edges, because this one is a bit smaller than our typical size. So there we go. We're gonna put it like right here, and then of course we're gonna be adding some of these beautiful dots. I'm just in love with them. I might just put like 3 here or something like that, you know. Let me just see. Actually, maybe just like here. And I love that they come in like different sizes. There we go. And I want to add one of like a little bow here too. That way I use all the elements on this suite. Alrighty. And we're gonna be putting it like right here. And there we have it. What do you think, huh? It looks really cool. And I love that it has all those gold elements. So anyway, so thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have enjoyed. I'm going to link here also to the Facebook Live where I did 3 other cards that are also super easy with the same suite, as you can see them here. So I'll put also on the description of this video and also at the end of this. So anyway, so thank you so much again. I really appreciate it. And let me know what you think about this card, okay? So thank you. Have a good day. Bye.